Hi everybody, my name is Joni and I live in Southbury. 2 months ago I was in extreme pain. I'd had some accidents, my neck was crushed, my knee, I had a botched knee surgery and then 2 more falls. That was a mess. My hips, because of walking badly, they were really paining. So I had 3 major parts of me that just was ruining my life. I was so depressed, I couldn't walk, I couldn't turn my head, I couldn't do anything properly. Then I get a card in the mail asking me to come to a seminar, alternate health measures to surgery. That got my attention because they told me I have to have a knee replacement. So I did go to the seminar and I listened, and then I saw the doctor and she said, yep, that I was a good candidate. My neck, my hips and my knee. So I had the 3 areas done, 3 with the stem cells, and now 9 weeks later I can tell you and I can show you my neck is 40% better, 40 to 45% better. My knee, that's going to be the last one to heal because it was the worst. I'd say 30 to 40% on my knee. It's only 9 weeks. My hips are perfect. I still have a ways to go, and I'm confident though, because I'm able to work, I'm able to walk, I'm able to do anything I want. I'm confident that I'll get the 100%. I would recommend surgery, non-surgery. I would recommend the clinic, the stem cells. I've had surgery that was botched. The stem cells I would 100% recommend to you. Don't be afraid of it. It works. I've been on this earth 90 years. I don't like to say it, but it's true. And here we are. Healing every day gets a little better.